Hey, in this one we're talking about arrays of objects. So right here I have a bug class that I made, and over here I have some code that creates a bug. Actually, let me get this out of here. So we can make a string array, right? This has a whole bunch of strings in it, and a string is an object. So for our purposes, I made this bug class, and it has a num legs, it has a constructor, and it has a function called grow. So what I can do here is I can actually make a bug array. Okay? Same way I did string array. I just made an array of bugs. And my buggies equals new bug array. And I'm going to make 10 bugs. Okay. So this runs fine and dandy. But let's see what happens when I go to add legs to some bug, or I go to grow one of these bugs, right? So since I made an array of 10 bugs, I should be able to change the number. I should be able to make one grow. So my buggies at index 1, that's the second bug, I'm going to say dot grow. So this gets the bug from the first index and calls the grow method on it. But there's an issue. Null pointer exception. Well, let's see why this is happening. You know, I made my 10 bugs and I called grow on it. So when you're making an object array like this, right? You have an array of objects. You have a whole bunch. When you call new bug array at 10, right? I'm sorry, new bug array with 10. It makes 10 spots for bugs. You could put bugs here, but there aren't bugs here. These are all null. You could slap a bug in here, but you didn't. So that's why we get null pointer exception right here. You're trying to call grow on an object that doesn't exist. So before we can do this, I'm going to use a for loop for, let me use the enhanced for. Actually, no, I'm going to use the regular for loop in this one. For int I equals 0, I is less than my buggies dot length, I plus plus. I'm going to say my buggies at index I equals a new bug. This is actually what we're going to create every bug with. This is going to loop through every position and put a buggy in there. Bug, 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 all the way up to 10. So, oops, when I run this, we got all the bugs. And when I finally, my buggies at index 2, let's try index 2 dot grow. Actually, I'm going to do 1 again. At index 1 dot grow, this should work. It'll run. Perfect. No issues. We just didn't print anything out. Okay. So I'm going to put some print statements in here first. I'm going to print the print line at my buggies at index 1 dot num legs. Okay? So I can actually go in to this bug, right? I can go into this bug number 1, right? In the first index, which is this guy, and I can get his number of legs, right? Not any of these. They have their own number of legs. I'm getting this guy's number of legs, and I'm going to print that out. Then I'm going to make him grow 2 more, and then I'm going to print it out again. And what should happen is it should be, let me see, how many did I start him out with? I started him out with 10 legs, and whenever they grow 2 more. So it should print 10, they grow 2 more, and then I print 2 more. Awesome. 10 legs, then 12 legs. What if I wanted every single bug to grow? I could do something like this. I could put my buggies not at index 1, but at index I, and make every single one grow right after I create them. And while you can't see it, because I didn't print anything out, this grows every single bug. Okay. So, you can save any class you want. You can call any methods from a class. You can save variables. You can get member variables. Anything that you could do with a normal variable, like my bug, you can do with an array of those same objects.